You have to approach it slowly.
It's a bird.
Random bird.
You know my name. Look at the bird.
The one in the water.
I know. Say my name.
Oh, let's go this way. So, not approach it slowly.
Alex!
Approach it slowly.
Approach your ass slowly. Because he's gonna run away. I don't want to be on camera, please. You see, he has a ponytail.
Oh no, he's going.
He has a ponytail. Did you see?
No, I didn't see.
Look at the bot beyond him.
It stopped. I think it stopped.
No!
What?